YouTube, what is going on? It is Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and we are not in the studio. There's no white table, there's no green plant to the left of me. Guys, we got the sunset, we got the mountains. We are in Calgary, Alberta. Tech Realism is behind the camera, and today you guys can see, not today, this evening, it's cold out here, but nothing stops us from doing some YouTube videos. Matter of fact, we just drove 3 hours out from Edmonton because we got content to film this weekend. Starting it off with the Beats pill. Guys, look at the Beats pill right over here. We were at Apple, not in Calgary. We were in Edmonton. Matter of fact, Calgary is just such a better city. Like, I drove down here, the vibes were great. Calgary has like 4 Apple stores. Edmonton only has 2, but anyways, that's all besides the point. I'm just yapping because we love Apple. Beats pulled up with a little collab with Apple, the Beats pill. So this is a wireless Bluetooth speaker with USB-C. As you guys can see, it has a charging cable and lanyard connected. We have a lake back there. It's water resistant, allegedly. So we're gonna test it. This retails for $199.95. Low pull tab right here. Tech Realism wasn't able to pull it. Can I pull it? Apple? Don't make me crash out, because listen, why put a pull tab if your pull tab isn't pull tabbing? Anyways, we'll use the knife. Shout out to Tech Realism. Let me not like stab myself. But listen, here we are. There you go. Either Beats just sealed this a little too good, or I'm just not able to like unbox tech, which would be pretty disappointing. But let's set this knife aside. Here you go. Here are the Beats pill. As you guys can see, we got in a nice little color. It's probably a little dark outside, so you guys won't be able to see the full color of it, but it's kind of like this nice little beigeish yellow gold color. And at the top, you can see that we have a little like seal just to protect it. We're gonna put just back like so. And here at the top, we have a power button. Right on this side, we have a little play pause as well as a volume up and down. So the sun's going down quick, winter days in Canada, it sucks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna test it out. Anything else inside the box before testing it out, we just have a little instruction manual as well as a USB-C, which is awesome to see. And anything else inside the box, not at all. So if we could kindly have Tech Realism's iPhone 16 Pro Max, we're gonna test out the audio quality, and we might also just go into the water and test it out. And when I'm saying into the water, I actually mean into the water. So here we are. We're gonna pop up the Bluetooth, turn it on right over here. And as you guys can see right over here, the flashing LED shows that it is in pairing mode. And so right here on the screen, we'll take a little screenshot. This is what it looks like straight when you pop it up. So we're gonna hit connect right here, as you guys can see, and you just heard that, it is connected. And so the Beats pill connects very seamlessly. It does have 60% of battery, as you guys can see right here. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down towards the water. Follow me. So we're gonna go down by this lake and we're gonna test out the Beats pill. And so as we're walking down, right here on top of the Beats pill, it is super convenient to be able to select the volume quality. And so I could lower the volume, I could up the volume, and so forth. And so here you go. I'm just gonna put the volume to the minimum. Try not to fall down into the water because that would be bad. I wouldn't say I'm necessarily water resistant as the Beats, but here you go. This is what it sounds like at minimum volume. Not sure if you guys can hear that in the mic. And so I'm upping it on the Beats itself, which is super, super convenient. And so this right over here is about medium volume. And so this is how it sounds like. Let me know if you guys think this is great sound quality for medium volume. And we're gonna up it all the way to the top. And this is how it sounds like. So this is a little like calm, lo-fi music. I think it sounds great. Now, what about if we play some like heavy bass music? So we're just gonna go to like a no copyright hip hop instrumental, and we're gonna see how that sounds. We're gonna see if the bass is really bassing. And so here's a little bass music. Do you guys think that the bass is good? This is what it sounds like. Let me not fall into the water. And there you go. We are going to put this down here and we're gonna see if it works. I just got my dunks wet, which is great, but see, this is what the lanyard is convenient for. Let me get down here. Awesome. This is what the lanyard is convenient for, guys. As you guys can see, you can hold it down just like so. We're gonna put it underwater to see if it does hold up to the water resistance. Give it a little dip, get a little wet. As you guys can see, blast it just like so. You guys can see that it still played underwater. And so what happens if I put it right and sit it on the water? It's gonna start, see that? It's certified. It's still working, guys. So I'm not gonna try to break it or whatever. I'm not gonna test the limits of how water resistant it is. But guys, I think it's a really good speaker if you want to like bring it to the beach. If you guys want to do some crazy activities, you have a lanyard, hook it up on your keychain, on your belt, like many people have done. It does the job. It works good. It has USB-C. It has amazing battery life. Apple claims that it could be up to 60 hours. And I'm just looking because Calgary is a crazy city, and those people were looking at our stuff and they better know that we were gonna chase them down if they tried to take anything, and they saw me staring and they're looking at me and they stopped looking at me. So guys, see, this is the things we gotta do when we're like out in public vlogging. We gotta make sure that we don't fall into the water. We gotta make sure we get the good angles. Shout out to Tech Realism. We gotta make sure that our equipment that's expensive works good. This thing runs $200. Is it worth $200? Yes, it is. It wasn't worth that fall that I almost did. Guys, it has been a long day. This is the Beats Pill, little unboxing, first impressions. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would get the Beats Pill. Do you guys feel that it's overpriced? I mean, it is Beats. I think that for the price, it offers some really good features and can work great. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for all the content that Tech Realism and I are going to be shooting in Calgary. And to not miss another upload, make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. Make sure to go check out Tech Realism and myself on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, where we try to keep you guys posted with what's going on in our tech lifestyle journey. And it's getting cold. It's time to go edit and post this video for you guys. Catch you guys in the next video.